Good morning, Huskies. This morning, your teachers and I want to share our hopes and dreams for all of you. We often say that we're an academic-first school. You hear it all the time. We hold high expectations for you here because we don't get to keep you here forever, and 4 years goes by so very quickly. Our push for academics first is because we want you to have all the tools and skills you need to be successful in your lives when you walk out of our doors. Sometimes it's easy to think that there's no one in your corner, and we want to make sure that you know that we're with you and we're rooting for you every step of the way. We want you to be equipped with the ability to see multiple perspectives, use your knowledge and your skills to go to the next level and challenge yourself, and to understand the role that you play in creating a positive change in our community, state, nation, and world. With that in mind, we would like you to take a moment to see what we see in you, what our hopes are for you, what our wishes are for you, and as you watch this, we hope that you know that we believe in you. Now enjoy.
Right when I wake up, I'm feeling way too much, hoping I can work my way around. Know I made mistakes, promises I break, but I'm just a man